I'm just going to show how to adjust the travel distance on your clutch pedal. This one's got a lot of play in it, and so we want to snug it up a bit. I'm going to show you what we're looking at here. So we measure our distance from the clutch pedal, and we'll just go off the steering wheel. We'll go right in the center, and that is sitting at 22 and a half, give or take. And then if we push down the clutch pedal, bring it here, like I said, about 22 and a half. And we'll just hold it against it. We'll go to the point where it wants to kick back. So normally you want about an inch. So we're at about 22 and a half, say. We want it to go to maybe there, maybe 2 feet. But it's going almost all the way to 25. So a little too much play, so that's what we're going to adjust. And we'll go underneath and show you that. Only 2 wrenches underneath, 10 millimeter, 17 millimeter. And jack it up a little bit so you got some room to work. Crawl underneath, and we're gonna be working right here. This and this, 10 millimeter and 17. And you want to be careful when you're doing it. This, if I'm not mistaken, loosening that might make the whole thing spin, so you want to clamp it right here, not on the cable, not on the threads. And then we will be able to adjust once we crack that one loose right here. So yeah, that'll spin. So that's what you want to hold on to right there, just like a set of vice grips. It'll push against that and hold it still. So I'll grab those. All right, got these in place. Get this on. We'll hopefully break that free. Oh, I think we broke that free. We'll tighten it down a little more. Got it in place a little better. Not on the threads. And then oh, good Lord. Well, it's never easy, is it? All right, the camera died, so I don't quite remember where I left off, but I know we were about here. I had a few other things to go do, so what you want to do, though, is we're taking off the 10 millimeter nut there, and I found holding the 17 in place helps a lot too. The vice grips also, it'll help break it free pretty good. And then we take the 10, and I can just show you here. You can get it like this. Yeah, and then you break this free. And you're gonna want to loosen that up. Awesome. And then from here, what we're gonna do, let me make sure you can see it better. So we want less free play in the clutch pedal from what we measured earlier. So we're gonna back that away. And then the 17 millimeter nut here, we're gonna want to tighten it. So righty, tighty. So we draw in that clutch pedal. I would do a few turns and then go up and kind of check the free play, see where you're at, come back down if you need to adjust some more, and try to get it to about an inch and a half. That's what's recommended. Mine was at like 2.5, 2 1/4. and I can tell there's a lot of free play. So we'll tighten that down a little bit and go check up top. All right, then we come back up here, and now our play compared to going all the way down. I mean, it was going all the way down. Probably you can't tell from here, but it feels like it was almost 3 inches. Now it catches right there, just about an inch. It's a little past this pedal, and then it goes right underneath it. And so if you need to go back, you just go back down to here, and you make sure you tighten that down. And you're doing righty-tighty if you're wanting to get rid of the free play. If it seems too tight, you're going to want to loosen the 17 millimeter nut and just get yourself to about an inch. Tighten back down to 10, and that's basically all you need. So it is pretty simple. Just wanted to kind of show. I think it's going to be similar on a lot of vehicles. Maybe not exactly this setup, but I bet the mechanism matches. So just wanted to let you know what we're doing here. Makes it drive a lot better too. I was very happy to do it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Really appreciate that. And we will see you in another cool little repair video.